Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to register a Telegram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistake, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Telegram apps, tap on Telegram. After that, tap on start message option. Tap on select your country. Enter your phone number. Tap on this. Enter enter your put. Allow this option. Hopefully your Telegram register account is successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.